struggling to create an About Us page that actually connects with your customers. In this video, we'll show you how to build a page just like HEINZ's, simple, powerful, and designed to build trust using PageFly. Stay tuned to learn how to craft your perfect About Us page with PageFly. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create an engaging About Us page from scratch, check its responsiveness, and publish it directly to your Shopify store. Let's kick things off by creating the About Us page from scratch and setting up the elements that make up the page. Click on Create Blank Page, choose Regular Page as the page type, and you'll be taken straight to the blank canvas. Now, let's start by build the banner to show information about HEINZ. On the PageFly page editor, I will add this layout. Then add a background color for the whole section in Styling tab. Let's add a strong heading here. Next, I will add 2 paragraph elements beneath the heading. It's time to customize the style for the text. First, we should update the content here. It should be who we are. Switch to Styling tab to adjust the appearance for it. You can add the content color as white. Add margin bottom to create the spacing with the below paragraph. Set font family. HEINZ has its own unique font that isn't on Google Fonts, but no worries, you can upload it using the Upload Font feature in PageFly. Here's the font I uploaded. Next, adjust the font size. Click on More Settings to get more options for customizing the heading style. And here you go. With the paragraphs below, you can easily follow the steps I just shared. And here's what you'll get. Click on the block that contains the text. I will set content alignment to center and add some margin for it. On the right block, I will add an image. Next, click on the whole section. Switch to Styling tab to update Set Fill Container for content width. Set center for align items, and set horizontal spacing to 0 pixel. Click on this paragraph and adjust some margin for it. Now, the first section has been done. The next section features running text. It seems tricky, doesn't it? But don't worry. With PageFly, you can easily make it happen by adding custom code. First, I'll add a section, then add an image. Next, I will set a custom image ratio and adjust the height to 80 pixels. Head to Styling tab and configure the content width to fill container. Scroll down to remove all paddings. Next, let's duplicate the image multiple times to ensure it works properly. Move to the Styling tab and set the direction to horizontal for the whole section. Then, I'll add an HTML element to a new blank section. Open the code editor and paste the specified code. This code will be added in the learning materials, and you can download and use it too. I will copy the ID node marquee and add it to the HTML ID attribute of the section containing the images above. And that's it. Please note that just a heads up, that HTML liquid, it'll only come to life in the live view. So don't panic if it looks weird in the editor. We will check the live view later when we finish the page. Let's move to the next part. You see this next section looks similar to the first one we built. The only difference is that the content is swapped. You can either rebuild it from scratch or, to save time, simply duplicate the first section and swap out the content. Let me show you. I'll duplicate the first section, then click on the movie icon and drag it down below the running text section like this. In the direction settings, I'll click here to switch the position of the 2 blocks. Next, I'll change the image. Update the content and adjust the whole section to match the sample page. I'll add a bit of padding to the section. Tweak the margins for the paragraph. And here's the result. Almost done. Hang in there. Let's keep going. HEINZ cleverly uses a flexible layout with 2 blocks to showcase information about their brand and store. The next 2 parts are pretty much the same as what we just did. Go ahead and duplicate them, then customize the content to make it your own. Here's the result. We're almost there with just the final section left. HEINZ brilliantly leveraged a customer forum to boost user engagement, complemented by their iconic tomato imagery. With PageFly, you can easily build this section using a customer form. I'll go ahead and duplicate this section since it's quite similar to the last one. Next, I'll modify the heading and paragraph content. And then add the customer form. Let's clean up this form by removing unnecessary fields like gender and biography. We'll give the first label a cool new look and copy that style for the rest. For those text boxes, you can change the placeholder to something more specific, like first name. We'll make it look awesome in the Styling tab. Let's do the same for the others. Now let's make that button pop. We'll change the text to sign up and give it a cool style. We'll add a little highlight to show it's clickable by adjusting the style for mouse over state. Almost done. Just a few tweaks to the spacing and we're good to go. We've brought the HEINZ page to life with PageFly's design elements. The results are simply eye-catching. Let's now examine how your About Us page appears across various devices. This is essential to guarantee optimal responsiveness. Switch to mobile view, for example. No worries, with just a few simple tweaks, we can create the perfect mobile view. For example, in the first section, switch to the Styling tab, change the layout direction to vertical, and swap the content. That text seems a bit large, so let's reduce the font size. Repeat these steps for the remaining sections. Let's see how your page looks. Preview it live to get a real feel for it. Click Preview to see your page come to life. Check the layout, text, and images to ensure everything looks perfect. When you're satisfied with it, hit Publish. All right, HEINZ page building using PageFly. You already have a page but don't know where to find it if there's no link. That is the next part I will guide the page. Link page to Shopify menu navigation. From the Shopify admin, go to Sales Channels and access online stores. Click on Navigation, Menus, then select the menu you want to add a link to for your PageFly page. On the main menu, click on Add Menu Item, name it like About Us, then search for your About Us page by typing or pasting its URL in the search field. I will paste the live page URL. Next, click Add to add the page to the menu, and click Save Menu to save your work. Your PageFly page is now live and easily accessible through your Shopify menu. Next, we'll refine this page within the theme editor. In the theme editor, you can easily locate your page using its unique ID. Just enter the ID here, and your page will appear. It is that simple. Easily add app locks and theme sections here. You can save time while maintaining a professional website by utilizing our templates. Within the page editor, let's locate the template icon to access the template modal. To streamline your search, you can filter specifically for About Us page templates. Alternatively, you can access template options directly from the PageFly dashboard. Feel free to customize the template to match your desire. And that's it. Today, we've built an HEINZ About Us page that showcases the brand story, engages with audience, and looks great across devices. Now it's your turn. Start creating your own About Us page using PageFly. In the next video, we'll demonstrate how to design a FAQ page, so don't miss out. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube channel to get more new videos. Thanks for watching.